Menu secrets from our kitchen. Quick and easy menu application ideas from Upper Crust Enterprises. Add your own creative twist to develop a signature item only available in your restaurant. Remember, only Upper Crust Enterprise authentic Japanese panko with its unique light and airy sliver-shaped crumb works best for these recipes. If you try these recipes with a competitor, the results will be disappointing. Crispy chicken fingers. One of the best, lightest, crispiest chicken fingers you will ever taste. It will stay crispy for extended periods and holds up to sauces. The recipe is easy, and you can use low-cost chicken tenders or trim pieces. For this recipe, I am using chicken tenders. Using a good quality chicken is key. Set up 3 stations: dry tempura batter mix, prepared tempura batter, and panko breadcrumbs. Prepare the tempura batter using water. Lightly mix the batter. The consistency should be like a thin pancake batter. We are now ready to start. First, dust chicken in dry tempura mix. Then dip in prepared batter. And finally, roll in panko, lightly pressing the panko into the batter. Because panko is the final coat, you can prepare the coated chicken ahead of time and store in the refrigerator until you're ready to fry. Deep fry until golden brown. Serve with a variety of dipping sauces. To add extra taste, sprinkle seasoned salt or a spicy salt blend after the fryer. You can also use the same chicken for a crispy chicken wrap sandwich. Just layer coleslaw, panko chicken, and a creamy sauce and wrap. The chicken will stay crispy. The food cost for the chicken fingers is approximately 88 cents per portion. A great value for appetizers, lunch, and kids' menus. The quality of your panko will make a big difference in your recipe, so only use good quality panko. Don't ruin your $10 meal to save a penny with a low-grade panko. Trust Upper Crust Enterprises, which has been making authentic Japanese panko for over 30 years. Since panko is purchased by the pound but used by the cup, the density of the crumb matters. Our light, airy, sliver-shaped panko crumb provides a 26% better yield versus competitors. It will give your menu items a light, crispy texture, never hard, dense, or crunchy. Upper Crust panko is so versatile. Once you start using it in your kitchen, you will find so many applications to surprise your patrons. Visit our recipe section on our website for more ideas. For additional product information and helpful tips, please go to our website at www.uppercrustent.com. Experience the flavor of life to its fullest, and thank you for your time.